Hello everyone and welcome to 60 Seconds of a Divine December with AYS. All of us go through a lot of ups and downs in our lives. Every time we have a low point, we somehow put ourselves together and move on. How do we do this? We all have a belief somewhere at the back of our head that things are always going to get better. When we go to sleep at night, we always have plans for the next day, next week, or even the next 5 years. Why do we do this? Because we believe that we are going to wake up and we're going to have a new day and tons of opportunities ahead of us. When we have someone suffering from an illness or an injury, we always tell them to believe in the treatment and to believe that they're getting better. Only then will the treatment work. Why do we do this? What does this unshakable conviction give us? Does it give us strength? Where does it come from? And how important is it? Faith. Faith or Shraddha. Yoga Sutra chapter 1 also speaks about this faith or Shraddha as an important quality to have to achieve the state of yoga. Shraddha Virya Smriti Samadhi Prajna Purvaka Itaresham. Sri Desikachar explains this sutra. Through faith, which will give sufficient energy to achieve success against all odds, direction will be maintained. The realization of the goal of yoga is a matter of time. Faith is the unshakable conviction that we can arrive at that goal. We must not be lulled by complacency in success or discouraged by failure. We must work hard and steadily through all distractions, whether seemingly good or bad. So faith is that strong belief, not just in God or a higher power, but in yourself, in your everyday words, your thoughts, your actions, your efforts, in the idea or the goal that you have. The Taittiriya Brahmana has the Shraddha Suktam, and the Shraddha Suktam is actually dedicated to this concept or idea of faith. In the Shraddha Suktam, there are a few lines that welcome this goddess of Shraddha or faith through all points of life, through all times of the day. The lines are as follows. Shraddha pratar havamahe Shraddha madhyandinam pari Shraddha gung suryasya nimrichi Shraddhe Shraddha payehama. We invite the goddess Shraddha in the morning. We invite goddess Shraddha at noon and at sunset. O goddess Shraddha, bless us that we may have Shraddha in this life, at this time, and in this place. Shraddha, faith. Thank you.